Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best window tints that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Coava's One-Way Mirror Film. Coava's tint film offers excellent privacy and suitable for both home and office use. It is excellent in reducing the effect of bright sun vertigo while reducing vertigo of light snow effect during the winter. It has the ability to block over 98% of UV rays, thus preventing the entire interior and furnishings from fading and aging. It has the capability of reducing heating and cooling expenses by blocking over 90% of the sun's IR rays, thus maintaining your home warm during winter and cool during summer. It does not require any glues as it comes in no glue design, while it is easy to install, remove and leaves no residue or marks when removing. Moving on at number 4, we have Rabbit Goo 3DN Glass Window Film. Rabbit Goo is a classic window tint film that comes in the glue-free design that offers maximum privacy without releasing any chemicals and is absolute static cling to the surface. You only need to peel and stick on your windows in just minutes, where it does not leave any residue when the time to remove comes. It is a heat control window vinyl film that retains heat during winter and blocks the heat away during summer, thus enabling you to save a lot on heating and cooling systems while blocking over 96% UV rays. It is a multi-purpose window film which you use at home, on sliding doors, office, bathroom, kitchen, and anywhere else you need privacy while brightening the room with soft natural lights. At number 3, we have Total Blackout Window Film. Total Blackout Window Film is an exclusive window tint that comes to fulfill your needs in style. It promotes 100% light blocking, making your room totally dark as the night appears while it is still on daytime. That means it's darker than full dark curtains. It is suitable for babies sleeping during the day, as they can comfortably sleep no matter the time of the day. This tint film provides super static cling, which enables an easy application or removing from smooth surfaces without leaving any traces or residues. It is easy to install, where it comes on a release paper which enables easy rolling and application without letting any bubbles of air inside. At number 2, we have Hidbia Privacy Window Film. Hidbia Privacy Window Film provides a new one-way mirror effect by creating a clear view when inside and a mirrored reflection when outside. This offers total privacy during the day and at night. It blocks away strong sunlight and filters harmful UV rays, thus creating the most comfortable environment without the disturbance from dazzling light. It is made of vinyl and 100% glue-free, making it easy to apply. It only takes a few minutes to apply on any smooth and flat glass surfaces such as kitchen doors, patio doors, living room, bedroom, offices and any other places where you need maximum privacy. It is made of durable thickened material, easy to apply with water, make corrections and can be reinstalled if not damaged. It reduces heat loss during winter and insulates on the same during summer. And finally at number 1, Gila Heat Control Platinum DIY Window Film. Gila Heat Control Window Tint comes as the most exclusive tint that is energy efficient and rejects up to 71% of total solar energy to provide the most conducive environment with harsh light penetration. It has the capability of blocking 99% of harmful UV rays, thus protecting the interior furnishings from fading. It has the capability of reducing up to 69% of glare, thus making the interior more comfortable. It provides maximum privacy during the day using the mirrored exterior. It is easy to install, where the results will last for long, as it is made to last for long while withstanding harsh outdoor weather conditions. The durable adhesive material is easy to handle and firmly sticks to the windows for long without tarnishing.